Hi guys, I thought it'd be worth me showing you my complete build or my wiring setup for the Beaver HDZero Frame Kit. First thing you'll notice, yes, that is an LED. I have put one underneath. I just couldn't help myself, so I've put myself a little strip light there to help illuminate the workpiece and light it from the back. I still haven't fitted my baseboard. I don't know whether I'm going to put an aluminium one there or a temporary spoil board yet. So I'm going to work on that. Anyway, I did all my wiring. I started off with a Z carriage, put it all up and put it all through the drag chains. Now I've got here is my air tube and also coolant tube or misting tube, because I use misting, and this is going to be a mainly metal machine. Got all my tubes going up, all the way through, and I've just drilled the mounting points. Got a nice little back bit on there as well, and got a whole bunch of wires and stuff here which I haven't connected yet, mainly tubing and also spindle cables, etc. Anyway, going round to the front, I'll show you the wiring setup. I've got my new VFD here. I've not used this particular one yet, so I need to read the instructions. I've got my power supply. Now, if you have a look here, I've put little connectors on each wire to make it really easy to connect it. And then going along to my DM856 drivers, I've put all these together. And just to show you how they all go, I mean, I've got them all on quarter steps. You've got the DIR plus, and then I've got one earth cable going to the CNC X Pro, and then the earths are daisy chained. These are only the low power earths. The high powers go straight into there. And then we've got the CNC X Pro V4. I've got my cables here, and I've just got a standard 12-volt power supply. In fact, it's one from an old router. I've got my spindle control set up, and I've actually got an octocoupler here, but in my haste I think I recommended the wrong one, and this is a normally closed octocoupler, which means the switches are triggered or reverse. So normally the switches are normally open and then make contact when they close. In this case, see, all those are illuminated. If I wave a screwdriver in front of a switch, see how it just turns off. There we go. So it's working reverse. The light should be illuminated after. Anyway, I'm getting a new octocoupler tomorrow to try that. Now just down here, I've got my power supplies. I've got a load of cabling here because it's all on wood at the moment. I'm going to transfer it to plastic when I'm ready. I made up a little quick connector for me to allow me to connect all my limit switches to the octocoupler quickly and easily. Essentially, it's just a combined power and ground source to all the switches. There are other ways of doing it. I've got all the kit here. I've also got a relay for spindle control enable there, which is nice and straightforward. And all my other wiring here. Anyway, looking at the machine itself, I'll have to apologise for the sound this makes. This power supply is really noisy. Really giving it some whirl. Anyway, I've got universal G-code sensor open, and we're going to have a quick jog on the machine just to show you what it's like. I think now I've got most of the steps correct. I forgot to change the Z steps earlier to accommodate for the fact there's a 1605 ball screw rather than 1610. My bad. So first we're going to jog up on the Z. Then we're going to jog in 20 centimetre movements. At the moment, not a lot really to show you there, but as you can see, pretty cool, and it's certainly got some beans. At the moment, the acceleration speed is set at 12,000 millimeters a minute for jogging, and a acceleration speed of 1,000 millimeters for acceleration. Anyway, cheers for watching. Hopefully that's been useful or possibly interesting, and I'll do another video tomorrow once I've got the homing cycle all up and running. Cheers guys, bye.